be going out with him. Hey, sweetie. Yeah? You've got a phone call. Oh, really? On what line? On line 2. All right. Line 2. Okay. Caller, welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Oh, NANABOOZHOO. It is I, the Count. Hey there, Count. How are you doing? It's so nice to have you on the show. It is so good to be back, my brother. That's right. You can call me your Niji. My, what is it now? Niji. My Niji. You have such a rich, beautiful language. I just love the Anishinaabe-Moan. Yeah, that's right, the Anishinaabe-Moan, the Indian language. Ojibwe-Moan, we sometimes call it. So what's going on? How you been? I've been doing very well indeed. At night, I go out and I change into a bat, and I hunt down my prey, and when I'm out there, I bite them on the necks, and I convert them into vampirism. You convert them into vampirism? Yes, I make them vampires. Well, that sounds just horrible. Nah, I kid. I am the Count. I just like to count. So I walk around counting things, I guess. Hey, do you want to teach how to count to 10 in Ojibwe? Oh, I would be delighted. Okay, hang on. Here's the Ojibwe numbers. How about you? I'll say the Ojibwe. And then you can say the English. Okay. Is this how we should do this? Whatever you think. All right. So it starts out with Beijing. Beijing. 1. No, I know. You start. You say 1, and I'll say the Ojibwe. Oh, okay. To begin with, number 1, Beijing. 2, Nij. 3, Niswe. 4, Niwin. 5, Nanan. 6, Ningodwaswe. 7, Nijwaswe. 8, Nishwaswe. 9, Jangaswe. 10, Mitaswe. 10. Oh, that's wonderful. Can I try to count in Ojibwe? Yeah, sure. You think you can do it? Yes, please. Let me give it a try. Okay. To start with, we'll go with 1. 1 is Beijing. Yep. 2, Nij. 3, Niswe. 4, Niwin. 5, Nanan. 6, Ningodwaswe. 7, Nijwaswe. 8, Nishwaswe. 9, Jangaswe. 10, Midaswe. Now I can count to 10 in Ojibwe. I gotta tell you, Count, you got a wonderful sense of humor. Oh, yes, I love to laugh. It brings such joy to my heart. Yeah, I think sometimes people think you vampires are sort of, I don't know, depressed all the time or something, but you seem to be in pretty good mood. Oh, they're just being racists. That is a stereotype that all of us vampires are, morose, blood-sucking, depressed people. That's not true at all. Well, I'm glad to hear that. Is there anything else I can do for you today? Oh, no, you're doing such a wonderful job. I just wanted to count. Listen to me. I just wanted to call and tell you to keep up the good work, my friend. My Niji. That's right. I'm your Niji, buddy. Okay, I'm going to let you go then. Okay. Well, hey, NANABOOZHOO. Yeah? Let me just say. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Okay, buddy. GOFUNDME, Minoa. I can't believe it. They count. Yep. He's always good for counting. He loves to count. I know. He never gets tired of it, even after all these years. I know, it's crazy. Is she really going out with him?